Now let's work on the form validation, that when user click or try to submit the form without adding the username or password, we'll have this validation error message telling the user to enter username and password. For now, nothing works. Let's add validation to the form. When you create a form, every form is to have a global key, and this global key helps to uniquely identify the form. So let's create the global key for this form. And the form key also allows validation of the form, which we will use later as we apply validation to the form field. So let's come down. So this key will allow us to uniquely identify the form, and it will allow us to provide validation to the form. So let's add the validation for the email text form field. So when the form is submitted, first, the validator function will make sure the text form field isn't empty. If it is, it will ask the user to enter email. This will indicate that you need to add the email. If the user does type something, the function then shows that what type looks like a real email. It does this using the string pattern that describes how most emails are structured. If what the user type doesn't fit this pattern, the user will be asked to enter a valid email. If everything is okay, the email is submitted. So let's add validation to the password field. So when the form is submitted, the validator will check if the password has been provided. If the password has not been provided, this message will be shown. If the password is provided, null will be returned. Now let's come down to the button. When the button is pressed, so when the button is pressed, the form key will be used to check the state of the form to decide if all of the necessary data has been provided, and we check if the remember me is checked. If everything is okay, the data will be submitted to the server. So let's test our app. There you go. So let's put email. And let's put password. Let's submit. Invalid email. Please click remember me. Please wait, sign in. So that's it for this tutorial. So thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe, and I'm interested in getting your feedback so I can improve this tutorial. I would like to know if I'm clear enough with my explanation. So any kind of feedback will be welcome. Positive feedback, negative feedback, just leave a comment and I will read it and I will try to improve. So thank you again. Thanks for watching.